Hey guys, it's Jack here from the engineering team at Weeldi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys quickly how to make an agent step optional in your event timeline. And so making a step optional is definitely going to be very important when building automations, and you can't always expect the AI to perfectly guess when a step needs to be optional or when it's going to be mandatory. So I have a good example here. We have a pop-up that came after login, and pop-ups are often something that will show up every now and then and might not show up every time you log in. And so I'll show you guys quickly that the low code step here is to click on OK to close it out. And so it's important to note that by default that step is not going to be optional every time a job runs against that step. And so I showed you guys in the event timeline video, but I'll show you again. You could click on this blue pancake icon to access more options for a specific event in your timeline. And I'm going to choose the edit low code event. What this does is allows you to edit the instruction itself, but also add some JSON parameters. And so this JSON parameter section is what you're going to use to make any low code step optional in your event timeline. And so the syntax that you want to use is optional, and you want to set that to true. And so optional true is going to say that every time that this instruction runs in your timeline, if the click on OK is not successful, because in this case, if the pop-up did not show up after login, then it will not fail the job and it will allow for the agent to continue through the portal. That's all that I have for you guys today. Happy automating.